Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic. You don't need any tools, and you can save a lot of money by doing it yourself. All you need is a new filter. Open the glove box and squeeze in on both sides to lower it. The filter is behind this cover. There's a clip on both sides. Squeeze them in, pull it off, and pull the filter out. On the new filter, take note of which direction it says the air flows. It flows down, so you want to have this direction. And just insert it into the opening and put the cover back on. Then close the glove box. Squeeze in to put it back up and close it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.